Okay, so today I have a little bit of an unboxing to do for you guys. I recently ordered the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I got it as a grad present, so I have that to unbox for you here, and then some other accessories and stuff that I purchased as well. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna open this first because this is a keychain actually, and I think everybody needs to see this because it's absolutely adorable. And if you know me or my channel, you know that I love K-pop. And this is a BTS charm, and it's Namjoon and Koya. And this is the shop. Let me pull this out. This is the shop you can find it from. Yeah. I ordered it at the beginning of the week, got it by the end of the week. It's really nice stuff. I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put it yet, but yeah. So let's move on to the computer. Okay, I've seen so many videos of people unboxing these, and now it's my turn and I get to film it. So pull this here. Okay, this goes down. Oh, that was a horrible sound. I'm so sorry. Oh, cut it upside down. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a pull tab here. Okay, if you're curious about the specs, this is, isn't it like supposed to say it on the back or anything? Oh yeah, okay, so, right here, it's a 13.3 inch, 1.4 gigahertz, what is that, processor? I don't know, 16 gigabytes of memory, and 256 storage. I got the base model, but I just amped up the memory because I need that. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first Apple computer. Like, I have a Surface Pro. I'm gonna leave the plastic on it until I open my other thing. Okay. Also in the box, the cord, this, the brick. Okay. Oh, my stickers. Give me my stickers. Hello. Whoa. Stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and set this off to the side. Okay, now this. This is a clear case that I'm going to stick on my computer. That's how to put it together. Hello. Okay. How are they gonna? It's packaged inside too. Oh my goodness. 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 Oh my god. Y'all know logic. Y'all should know logic. Okay. What is this? Please peel off this mask after applying. What is this? I don't know what that is. Okay, anyways. Oh, this is for my keyboard. So I guess I'll put that over. Let's look at this. It doesn't say what the other thingy is. Okay, let's start with the bottom. Are you ready? Oh wow. I think this is the heaviest laptop I've had in a while. I don't really want to put this upside down, so, but I'm kind of gonna have to, it seems. Oh, this hurts me more than it hurts you. Just be careful. Okay. So, snap on. Just like, just like that. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, well that starts off if I can do the top.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh my god, please shut up. Okay, I think that's on. No, it's not. There it goes. It's all on. Okay. I'm going to go connect to my Wi-Fi and set all this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I moved my computer off to the side so I can finish unboxing, and as you can see, by this box, this is a Line Friends box, because I'm obsessed and I literally buy everything from there. So in this box, we have a BT21 Koya Byte Popogol cable pouch, and then a matching laptop sleeve as well. So, I've had all this stuff for like days and I haven't opened it yet because I was waiting for my computer so I could open it all at once. Oh, I love this. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so with the cable pouch, stuff it up. Got this little bed right here. There's another one right there, and then there's a pocket on this other side. And stick my charger brick in here. Just like that. My cables. Other side. There you go. And then also just put my laptop like that. Alright, here's the finished setup. I went ahead and customized my desktop background. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep it this way, but I probably will for now until like I make my own. Of course, this is just a quick Google search. But yeah, this is Mac all set up. I customized my dog, obviously got rid of everything that I wasn't using. But yeah, this is it all nice and finished. Here are the stickers I put on the inside. Just these two little Namjoon stickers. I am a Windows to Mac user, so obviously there's going to be a slight adjustment period, but otherwise everything's good to go. So the back of it with the laptop case, of course, and the cable pouch as well. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.